Xavier here. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, but you know, life is how it is. But you know, so I'm going to now get into Hawkeye from the MCU. So usually I would have watched this already, but you know, I had planned to record videos on my reaction for the channel and stuff, but you know, didn't get to do it at the time I wanted to, and you know, so I just saved them up, and so I'm going to go run through Hawkeye, and then what's the next movie? Next series, Moon Knight, and also going to record Spider-Man No Way Home. I had watched it in theaters, but you know, it's gonna come out on digital soon, so it's already out, but you know, so I'm gonna watch it like that. I'd already recorded a reaction to another movie already, but you know, technically this is whatever, you know, that'll get started soon. But you know, I'm just bringing back this channel. I'm gonna start off with some MCU, and then you know, we are going to get into it. You know, keep it short, keep it spicy. Was it spicy? I don't know, but you know, we move. Okay. Alright. So, Hawkeye.
I've got it under control.
Kate? Coming in. You shouldn't eavesdrop.
Then how would I know what you're saying when I'm not there?
Oh, yeah, that's
I don't
true.
know how to argue with that.
She's right.
Yeah, but there's always going to be weather. Some people forget the one thing they can control, the choices they make in the face of it.
What would you do in a hurricane?
Yeah, that's not.
I would do what I
I would
always
say that's
do.
right, yeah. Cannot control what you can do.
Protect you.
Is he gonna die? I definitely feel he's gonna die. This sounds like someone would say, and then the day. That's what the character does. Yeah.
Mommies can be pretty fun too, you know.
I bet you didn't know I could do this.
Wow, so amazing. Great trick. I'm so enthused by your trick. Mommy, you know. What was that? Was that Chitara? New York.
Mommy?
Oh yeah,
what's
that was it.
happening?
I missed that. That was
Mommy? Dad? Mommy?
Oh, wait, are both the parents gonna die? Oh, okay. Saved her. Okay. That makes sense. That's why she's a fan.
We have
Oh,
to get out of
okay.
here.
Okay, mother survived. Okay, that's good. Or the willing, or orphan story, no.
What if they come back?
They won't come back.
You can't promise that. Exactly, you don't know. You don't know if they're coming back.
Because the heroes showed them what would happen. Whatever you need, I'm here for you.
I need a bow and arrow.
Car.
off the archery team.
Yeah, I know. But a bet's a bet, career. Okay. So the real question, does the bell swing back and forth, or does the dangling thingy in the middle swing back and forth?
It's obviously the bell.
See? I would disagree. I think it's the dangly thingy.
The dangly thingy in the back of Carly. Huh, ingenious.
Fine.
No. Famous last words.
This is bad.
Very bad. Their friends run and leave her. Damn. Hate to see it. Hate to see it. They knew they were good for now.
I'll be right back.
I love a good musical. I don't know if this is a good musical, but you know, I'm not gonna judge off this one thing. Ah, the mem. Thanos was right. Imagine going for a PIC. Okay, beside it.
A selfie would be really rad, dude.
No, not right now.
My kids would flip. I mean, you're their absolute
You're in the bathroom. Selfie would not be right now.
That's
Dude.
not really the appropriate time.
Exactly. Once the selfie, we pin.
Now a better time?
No.
Let's show Mom what she's missing.
Yeah.
I'm glad he has his family back. He killed a lot of people when he was it Ronin or something like that? But, you know, he's a family man now again. Right, are they rich again?
Hi, sweetie. Hi, Mom.
Oh, the like some intro. Oh, is their whole old home? Did they rebuild it and they get some insurance payment or something? Or did their mom get rich again? Because no, they were talking about what's it called again? Yeah. So they were in financial trouble. So how did that happen?
I got a new one for the case. U.S. Open Martial Arts Championship. You're amazing. I still remember when you got your black belt at 15. What's with all the swords, Mom?
Ta-da.
Jack.
Oh, an unexpected surprise.
All surprises are unexpected.
Is it? I don't know. It could be unexpected. I don't know. It's not really a surprise.
Peace.
Yeah.
Dina Sonas. Thank you.
Oh, no, that's not necessary.
It's necessary. You saved our city.
Just like what was it? Falcon was saying. Well, no, Captain America now, but you know, that's what he was saying about it. He came by on gratuity and all that. Then Hawkeye was employed by Shield, so he should have been making money. Outside of that, but you know, hey, if you can get free.
Excuse me, dear. Would you?
Sorry, I'm not a waitress.
You're the little bishop girl.
I did not hear a bishop. Whoops. I did not hear a little. You're the little Wrongly word I heard.
On. I want to go home. I'm bored.
That's no way to talk, Armand. That's not the way you were brought up. Come and say hello to Miss Bishop.
Hey,
Also, they son or grandson, the
Yep.
name Armand, the second or
Armand, I
third,
see.
or whatever.
Yes, I'm Armand the Third, and he is Armand the Seventh.
Seventh? Damn. Seven, so son, father. Wait, great. What was like? Oh, wait, maybe it's like. And it's like great grandfather. So third, great grandfather, great grandfather, great grandfather. I figured that out later.
I gave you an opportunity to explain this.
Ooh, shenanigans.
I've got powerful friends.
Of course, she's gonna follow him. Huh. Clever. Clever.
Oh, perfect.
Oh,
Great.
I thought I was supposed to be the only one working here.
Gary sent me to work here. Assuming if you want to bother Gary. You're doing great.
I wouldn't want better. I wouldn't want to bother Gary either.
I told you to come down here.
Gary.
I'm Gary. What's your name?
You see, that's the problem, Gary. You don't even know my name. You know, this is not gonna work out. I quit.
You can't quit. Hold on.
What a snitch. You went to get Gary. Oh, imagine that. You think you can trust somebody, and they go and get Gary. Wow.
Continues to remain a mystery
Oh,
to this very
when
day.
he comes back.
Now,
What are you doing, you dope? Come behind that sword.
You don't have 300 grand.
No, but I'll inherit it one day, woman.
He's gonna steal his sword. Oh, that was lucky. Oh, yeah, see.
The watch. I found it.
You were right.
He's gonna see Ronin on the news. See? And that's gonna make some decision for him.
A ninja saved a dog.
oh, that's amazing.
Isn't that awesome, Dad?
Terrorized organized crime in New York.
Hang on. I'm gonna get you some food. Pizza? You want some pizza?
I would want some pizza. Oh, what size? can just leave one side.
Monogrammed butterscotch.
And if you can't do it, why not do it? Your own brand of butterscotch. Who does that? What did they offer him? Wow. I bet it was Jack.
Kane, have your dry cleaning and I brought dinner.
At least she was wearing gloves, so that's good. No Prince linking her to it.
Where do you think you're going? Putting weapons on! Hey! We got little surprise for you! We've got eyes everywhere! They missed you, Ronnie!
That's a nice move. The read run and shut up.
Come on. Come on.
You're a Hawkeye.
And who the hell are you?
Great into it. Nice into the show. First episode. Is there a post-credit scene? That was episode 1 of Hawkeye. Not amazing, but it was okay. Wait, let me check these out. Amazing, but I can work with as a introduction to the series. Decent, set things up. At least I thought with we get episode 1 introduction of Kate Bishop with Clint Martin. So that was nice, and we get introduced to some characters and big mystery. But actually, why did they kill Armand? What is the deal with the watch? I'm assuming it's to they would need to get access to some document or equipment or something like that. And we also see what was that? Oh, in the Carly, yeah. So just interesting to see what happens next. Oh, the armor thing. So armor 3rd, who they kill. So I'm on the 3rd. I'm on the 4th. 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. Son, father, grandfather, great grandfather, great great grandfather. Oh, alright. Yep, we. Alright, so stay tuned. We're doing episode 2 next. Bye.